we are heading out to the Hoover Dam.
We walked from Nevada to Arizona, but if we keep following the sidewalk, we'll cross back into Nevada and then back into Arizona again.
You'll be back. We come back to the show.
There you go.
We'll see you up north. Bye. Bye. Bye.
So good morning. It is Monday, Martin Luther King Day, and today's going to be kind of a sad day. We are going to be saying goodbye to the Coles while they have to go back home, and we are going to be packing and getting ready for our flights tomorrow back to Fairbanks. But today we are going to do one last fun adventure. We were planning on doing it yesterday, but we just got sidetracked a little bit. But today we are going to Hoover Dam. So that's going to be really cool and really fun. I'm going to go down there and probably take a tour and just see the great things. So come along.
This is the last day for the Coles in Vegas. We are heading out to the Hoover Dam, and then from there they are going straight home. They have a 2.5-hour drive until they will be at their house in Fort Irwin. And then we will return to an empty Airbnb that's going to feel really, really weird. And then tomorrow we head out back home to Fairbanks to minus 30 degrees. I honestly don't know if I'm ready for this. Don't get me wrong, I really love the winter, but I got so used to the nice weather and I guess just to have a normal rhythm, to have daylight and to have darkness in the evening, which is so weird because when we think about darkness, we think about cold. So we have about a 30-mile drive, and then we're going to tell you a little bit more about Hoover Dam. We have CJ with us. Emily is driving in the truck, and
Scavenger hunt.
Brooke made a cute little scavenger hunt for the drive.
Yep.
So what are you guys looking for?
CJ actually found snow.
Snow?
That's one of the things. It was
Okay.
on a mountain. Oh, there's an airplane, so we can cross that one out.
Good.
Wait, with
There.
what?
I found an airplane over there.
I know there's an airplane, but what are we going to cross it out with?
I'm just ripping right here.
Oh.
It's a smart idea. So I just typed in just Hoover Dam information, and this is what popped up. So the purpose of the Hoover Dam is for power, silt and flood control, and water for both industrial and domestic use. When Hoover Dam was finished in 1936, it was the world's largest hydroelectric power station. Did you know this? The Hoover Dam generates on average about 4 billion kilowatt hours of hydroelectric power each year for use in Nevada, Arizona, and California. Enough to serve 1.3 million people. Did you know that?
We live in
I knew it was
California.
third power, I just didn't know how much.
That's actually really crazy.
We live in California.
I know you do. Do you like California?
Not that much.
Not that much. Why don't you like California?
Because it's hot.
It's too hot. But you like Alaska, right?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. What do you like about Alaska?
It snows there and I like planes.
And Devon is there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like Devon? Uh-huh. It said to rub the toes of the statue. Look, a lot of people rub it. Did you rub it?
For good fortune.
Is that for good luck?
So right over here is the Nevada time, and then right down there is the Arizona time. So we could say we walked to Arizona because we're gonna be in Arizona in a sec.
Walked from Nevada to Arizona, but if we keep following the sidewalk, we'll cross back into Nevada and then back into Arizona again on this one sidewalk.
Really?
Yes,
Which state are you in?
Arizona and Nevada.
It's pretty sick.
You too, CJ.
Why do you have to spread your feet so far?
It's fun.
Is the line that thick?
The door opens up. Not like this, it opens up.
So one thing you see a lot here in Las Vegas are fancy cars. Just
You never see every day.
It's butterfly doors, so the doors go up.
so we saw a lot of Porsche, Teslas.
There's a Tesla right there. No, it went away. That's a
Oh,
Kia.
that's a Kia now.
And then we
Lots.
see lots of Corvettes
Yes.
and Tesla. Do you believe where the license plate is?
Ah.
Alaska.
What?
No.
No,
Holy crap. Didn't we see this one the other day?
That's what I said.
Alaska. Okay, boys, so where are we going?
Chick-fil-A.
Why Chick-fil-A?
Because we're starving.
Because we like it. Well, you love it.
Yes.
I
So-
like it because it's play place.
Good. And Devin, why do you like it?
Good to eat there. I like the food.
Mm-hmm.
And I get to play while they're ordering.
That is true.
And I get to eat. And I get to play when we're done.
And we love it because you cannot get it in Alaska. So So we have to get our last Chick-fil-A in before we fly home tomorrow.
No crying. Are you gonna cry?
Nope.
Yeah, you are. I know you are. It's Monday night, which means we gotta pack and get ready to fly tomorrow, and also the Coles also need to drive home 2.5 hours. 2 hours.
Unless there's traffic.
Yeah, and they got to deal with all the Los Angeles traffic leaving Las Vegas. So we gotta say goodbye to them. We are. Who knows where the next time we're going to see them? Maybe across the world somewhere. Back in Alaska. Back in Vegas.
China, who knows?
China.
Who knows? There's always an adventure with the Coles.
Yeah. So we're going to miss them. And like always, though, make sure you check out the there you go, the 4x4 podcast.
The 4x4 podcast.
Yep. And we're going to really miss them. But it was really great to have yet another great adventure with them.
What was the best part?
Blue Man Group.
Yeah, Blue Man Group.
Yeah, Blue Man Group.
And then of course you got Devin and CJ back there getting their skills. So we're gonna say goodbye to them, and then we're gonna get ready to go to bed. So.
But you know what? It's not goodbye because you'll be back.
We'll be coming back to the show.
There you go.
We'll see you up north.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.